Hello, I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man. Now, HMRC have changed the rules around trusts. The person to ask is Alex Streeter, a solicitor from JMW's private client department. So what do trustees need to know, Alex?
I think trustees just need to know now that HMRC have changed these rules and there's now an obligation on them, an added obligation to register these trusts with the revenue. I think the revenue are keen to understand what trusts, what assets are in the trust at the moment. So the trustees just need to be aware that they now have this obligation to register with HMRC.
And people watching may not even realise that they're a trustee or they're even involved with a trust. What sort of trusts are we talking about?
I mean, to be honest, the ones HMRC are focused on are the majority of trusts now. There's an exception of things like bear trust, which, for example, could be a personal injury trust. But essentially, almost every trust now needs to be registered. So if people are aware that they are a trustee, the chances are that it will be one that needs to be registered.
And so how can you help and the private client team to get these trusts registered?
Well, we can help. I mean, HMRC typically make things very complicated for people, but we can facilitate that registration of the trust. We can kind of be in correspondence with HMRC, notify them of the trustees, what assets are in that trust, and formally get it registered to give the trustees peace of mind that that's been done.
And just to pass it over to you and let you deal with it, all of it. Thank you very much for your insight, Alex. And if you'd like to contact Alex, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.